Yo, so we got the synth here. Let's go ahead and make a synth patch. So we got a plain preset. I'm on preset number 348. Let's go through the wave types. Basic wave. Morph. I kind of like that. Okay. Timbre. That's what that is. Not tremolo. That adds like some low end. Let's change the attack. I want quick attack. Let's turn the sustain down. A lot. I love that sound whenever you turn the glide up. Makes it drift between the notes. Okay, so you gotta be like, don't give it too much. I like that. So we can change that with this. Watch. Okay, so the cutoff, I'm going to make it so it does that effect. Let's go ahead on our matrix. We're going to go to cycle envelope, which is this. And we're going to go to cutoff. We're going to make it turn up. Turn the sustain up. That's kind of cool. We do sustain all the way up. Dude, that thing will rock. That's sick. Oh, sorry. Oh, we got that glide. Let's turn. What if we go up octaves? No. It's really... It's like a kind of a bass patch. It misses the sub. In the DAW, I can add more low end. Oh yeah. Dude, that's gnarly. I love that. So we can go a step further. Electro-Harmonix Mainframe. One step further. Okay. That's not going to control it because that's being controlled here. Alright. It's a bit crusher, okay? It just makes stuff sound juicy. Alright, that's kind of a lot. Let's see what else we got. Sample rate. Without it. With it. And if you're not wearing headphones, this has bass. That's just on a low pass. So realistically, this, one sec on the matrix. Let's make the LFO also control the cutoff. Just random. I have to be careful because I don't, if you're not using headphones, sheesh, you're in trouble. So there's just different shapes. I just love the random features on synthesizers. The like random LFOs. All right, one step further. Okay, this is our next friend, R1 by Walrus Audio. So this is a reverb pedal. See, with it, without it. Okay, so you gotta be careful. Dude, that makes that thing sound huge. We ain't even changed the rate or nothing. Can we go just one further? All right, this is a D1. It's a delay. Here's some noise. Okay, and I currently moved the positioning. I put the delay before my reverb. I just like to do that. That way the delay gets reverb on it also. I just kind of believe reverb should be at the end of the chain. Like what happened? Oh crap, this is what happened. I unplugged the reverb to switch it around, and now it sucks. Dude, I hit something while I was plugging stuff in, and it destroyed it. All right, let's go ahead and add our delay. Let's get our tempo. Hear that? I don't like all that bouncing though. All right, tone. It's hard with too much with bass. It's easy to overdo it, so let's see if we change the LFO pattern real quick. Okay, that's a lot. Turn the sustain down. Oh. It gives it this. Okay, that's interesting. And yeah, okay, we gotta be done making this patch. Look, What do you guys think we should name?